I'm going to show you how to fix some cordless cellular shades. These ones for us, when we can get them to go down, that's what it looks like, and then we can't get them to go up. So when we inspect this, we see that we have a knot. So time to fix this today. To get this off the window frame, just have to push in on those tabs as you pull off the window shade. Take off these end caps and pull off the bottom slip. And then we got to go find that knot. It's going to be back in here. I did find a way to get this shade closed so that it's all the way up in there. Now we have to pull this out to make some slack in the line. So there's a little round tab that fits in there. That's what keeps the string taut. So now we have some slack. I'm going to use the dull end of a needle so that I don't damage the string. It came loose pretty easily. But we've got a kink in that line. That's just going to knot up. So I'm going to wet it down, and then we're going to iron it. It's probably nylon, so set your iron to that level so that you don't damage the string. Press and hold it for 5 seconds, and that fixes it. So we're going to zip tie this shut so we can put it back together. First thing you've got to do is just straighten out all the string. I was lucky, just pulled it through, and no problems. With the end cap off still, now we're going to spread that out again and slip it in until it clicks. So just double check, it's flush with the bottom there. Put our slip back on, replace our end caps, and then we're going to flip it over. That's our top rail, and that's what we're going to clip in here. So you should hear a click, and another click, and I have 3 or 4 of these. So now the moment of truth, let's see if it comes down. So we have success. Looks good, and then of course you want to double check you don't see anything odd, and make sure it goes all the way back up, and it literally goes all the way up to the top like it's brand new again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.